One dead and one in the baffle. One is surrender.
So them ugly like a dog. Arrest that.
Wanna see them viewers, the youth them go give them life, but them take up themselves, but them a go up on mission. CTAC put rifle ball in her head and send them home. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. Me have them video there for show, you know. Plus, the man them dopey Miss Natoya, cause she attack all them grape off our family them. So before me jump into the reasoning and make you know what I go on, you pre this.
Yo, the hard police now, come on up on top of the roof.
Must say so about how them then catch the other one them dead and kill the other one them.
When you see them viewers, the one them will escape and never make it on the dead list. Them lucky. Some people, the youth them take up themselves and go give away them life. 4 of them drop flat pan them face. Be a rifle ball in her head. CTAC deal with the man them away me and telling my people. All when boy chuck off in a water and feel like him a mermaid and think him coulda swim left the thing. Rifle ball run through water and go lick him in a head. Spread him out flat me a telling you with knapsack pan back. So as I say my viewers, see it there. Me see everybody a congratulate CTAC. Me see everybody a big up JCF them and a thought this and that. But look into this my viewers. What happen if them boy a did bingo? What happen if them boy a would go away with the robbery where them did a plan with and gone with millions on top of millions? You know feel like say a same way so the residents them would have hype them up and a big them up? So as I say, ghetto youth, you nah live and learn, you know. See it here, 3 rifle gun, 3 matic and 1 spinners. So as I say my people, CTAC do a good work me I tell you now. Cause can you imagine how much security guard life gets saved? Hey my people? Alright then. You know see say the man them did a go up on a big bad and brave mission. The man them did a go take the food at any cost me I tell you now. Say if CTAC never intercept the thing, as I say, you know how much security life would have probably last till see they know Indy come attack about them a running. My people, Indy come like a big junker boy, you know. But as I say, them can't run in, cause them still now win no case boy, yeah. No matter how much them try to defend some of them bad boy, yeah. Still now win no case me I tell you my people. So as I say, 4 youth go give away them life. So you like say a object bingo settings. Mission fail. CTAC left them flat pan them face. Some of viewers wanna walk with me now. You know why me always I say the ghetto will always be the ghetto. You live in the ghetto and you nah talk. Certain man can violate you in the ghetto. Box you up in the ghetto and you just have to keep silent, mute, like your TV. My viewers, 47-year-old Natoya rodent. An incident take place in a Gregory Park where the boy them grape off one of our family them. And the woman can't talk. The woman go talk. And you see what happened to the woman? The boy them come fling 9 ball in the woman head and left the woman flat pan her face. So see them viewers, the ghetto will always be the ghetto. Wanna run out for enough of them boy ya. Protect enough of them boy ya. Black road for them. And at them same one turn pan uno. Wanna feel them no know who do this? Them know who did this. But them can't talk. All if them want talk, cause them don't know the treatment where them a go get already. And that's why me always say a gunman run boy ya. Even though we see where JCF go on with yesterday and slap with 4 of them and take with 6 tools from half of the street. At the end of the day, the boy them still run boy ya me I tell you no more people. So we have to stay safe out there and elevate from certain place. Cause when I say, no matter how enough how no feel like say them got to know. Them boy ya no got none of who know. You hear that? So my people, until next time. You see me?